everybody. I am just here with a quick little video. I'm gonna probably put it at the end of one of the other videos that I'm doing. I'm just gonna give you a little update. I have decided that I am going to put resin on top of this lovely little lady. I'm trying to get that piece of glitter off. And what I'm doing is I'm going to only go up to the barrier. Put a little bit in the holes and then go around the barriers. I do not want to cover this glass and glitter, but I do want to cover the foil. Okay, so with that being said, I have resin the other two pictures as well, but I didn't turn the camera on. I should have. The ones that look like the galaxy Dutch pour. So what I did with those is I used my resin, and where it was the black hole, I put some of Laura's Art glitter. This, I can't remember what the name is. I have to write it on the packaging. I put minimal, just a little bit, and not even 1 ounce, and I swirled it in the middle in the black hole. So actually that's going to be kind of cool. So I'll finish this video up tomorrow morning when this is dry, and I will bring the other one in and show you, and this will be a bonus video for you lovely people. Okay, here we go. This is a 16 by 20, and 18. I calculated it out, and it said that I needed 11 ounces, but because I've got this, and I find it always is more than what you need, so I did 10 ounces. Krystal Resin. I did use my, we're gonna go through this again. I did use my vaporizer, that is hilarious. And when I mixed, I have my Dyson air purifier on, and I'm choosing not to do it so you can see and I can talk. So I'm just gonna try to do a little around. I don't want to go right over it. I'm gonna try and pour a little bit in the center. A little in the center. I just got thinking that it would be nice to have the gold leaf covered, even though it's copper. Make sure. That I have enough. Don't want to put too much on one side, so I'm going to leave a little bit in there. Now the massaging begins. Up to the edge. Perfecto. Just gonna, maybe I'll do that first. Get to where the edge is, and then I can just kind of play to make sure the rest is just covered. I think this turned out so pretty, and then I'm sitting there with it, looking at it, thinking it just kind of needs something, like the gold leaf or the copper leaf is beautiful, but to me it was missing something. So, and I think this might just be what it needed. I'm just gonna get the corner while I move her this way. and I hope they don't fall off. I've used all my I've used all my, oh my goodness, I've got them on those painters triangles. I've used all my push pins. I thought I had more. All right, I'm gonna make sure it gets in there. Perfect. Do you see what I mean? But there's always so much, because I've not yet, doing these, have used what the calculator says. Oh, that's resin. I thought it was a piece of hair. All right, let's get this going. I want to rub, but not too hard, because I've got, like I said, they're on those silly. They're good for just doing like a Dutch pour or something, but when you need to rub the canvas, it's kind of hard to. All right. Oh, that's what I thought. But I'm not too worried, because it could just look like gold flakes. They're coming loose on some of them. So I went back and bought, I'm not sure if I showed you in the video, I probably did. I purchased some more of these paints. These were those, they were a little bit pricey from Michael's. They were the Master, oh, I can see them from here, but every label is turned the wrong way. But anyways, I've purchased other colors, so I think I have 8 of them now. So I might do another set of like another painting like this, but with more of my colors, like a really nice dark blue, like a beautiful blue. And then I'm thinking this could be the dark blue in the middle, and then have the this blue on either side of the dark blue, and then silver, because I'm a silver girl. And then do silver leaf, because I think that would be cool. Alrighty. Just want to make sure the edges are all done. That's why I like just rubbing it around with your fingers, because you get the feel for it. Perfect. Now, I'm just going to take my one glove off just so I can torch. And again, see, I didn't mix up what it said, and I have, oh, it's crazy. All right, let me get these air bubbles out of here. Just gonna set my glove down, because I don't know what's there. It looks like it's bubbles, but it's not doing anything. All right, one more little quickie. I'm gonna, maybe it's because I need more resin there. I'm just gonna pour some here. Look a little bare there. Just gonna stand back and see if there's any little spots. I'm just gonna add it all in here. Get it all gone. And I used plastic because all my other containers are, like I said, I've been mixing resin today, so all my other ones are all dirty and they're not. The best part, the way to clean them is to leave them set and pull it out. All right, I think we're done. So with that, I'm gonna do this fast because I don't want anything to fall in it. I'm just gonna grab my little tent. Oh, my coworker texted me the other day. She says, I got some tents. They were on sale at the dollar store. But I wasn't able to go in and get any, so I have 3. So 3 should be enough, you know. 1 is enough. 1 is there too many. So there you go, my friends. That is that. I think it turned out nice. We'll just have to wait and see tomorrow. And again, I'll give you a little show and tell of the other one. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hello, we are back. We are all done with the resin on top of the 2 pictures, 3 pictures actually. I'm just going to give you a little show. So this is what the one looks like that had the liquid glass and the broken glass and glitter. Not sure if I like it, to be honest. It took over, like it's all covered here. There's a few spots that are not. But I just thought that the gold leaf, the copper leaf itself should be covered. So, well, I still like it though. Well, I'm gonna hang it up here. There we go. That looks cool. I'll bring you down and we'll look better on there. And I put resin on these 2. Now, this is the one that I had done the video in. And I took Laura's, I put everything on, and then I kept probably ½ an ounce, and I put some of Laura's art glitter, this fine glitter. I'll have to write the name on it because there was no name on it, so I'm going to write the name on so I can let you know what it was. And I just did a swirl in the middle, and I think it turned out pretty cool. Now I had these hanging on upstairs, just sitting on the edge of my fireplace because I still have my push pins in, and it looked kind of cool. So I had the 2 of them sitting there, and I'm looking at it like, it looks like a dragon's eye from a far back sitting on, so it's kind of cool. And then this is the one that I did not like. I had done the video and I wasn't happy because I hit the blow dryer here twice, tried to fix it. I didn't like it, but the way it dried is not bad. And I like this one better. I love the way the center come out, a little more even into the, this one's a little off where my hand is, it's gone. And this one kind of stayed more in the center. So I like this one. And I did the same, but there was less glitter in that. I don't know if you can notice the difference or not, but I love them both. So like I said, I had these 2 sitting up on there. Does it not look like dinosaur eyes? Like my husband said, dragons from that, oh my goodness, I can't think of the name of the show. Game of Thorns, Lady with the Dragons. So anyways, yeah, just the way they were hanging, it looked like dragon eyes. Just, anyways, I'm going to put them up here, and I'm going to bring you down, and you can get a better look at the, better look of it sitting up there on the on my stand. I'm sorry. I'm almost there. There we go. Yeah, see, I think it's pretty. I enjoyed the working with that leaf. It's nice. Now, the background paint is not as glittery as it was when there was no paint on there at all, like when there was no resin. But yeah, I think it's not bad. And like I said, I think that one's gonna go to my cousin's shop. Sorry, I'm trying to move that, and we're gonna put the other ones up here so we can get a better look. I don't know if you can, whoops, do not fall off. There. Oh, these studio lights, it's hard to get a good picture. And then when you've got like a disco ball hanging, that don't help either. Yeah, I just think this one looks so pretty. I'm sorry, you get this glare in here and I can't get it off of unless I turn my studio lights off. But I think it looked really pretty. Yeah. Now let me stick the other one up there. And we'll put it the way I had it upstairs, and then you can see what I meant by it looked like a pair of dragon eyes. Is that not the coolest? Anyways, well, there you go. So those are a couple more of my paintings resined. So that's kind of cool. I'm hoping I can get them up to my cousin. She'll definitely get this one. I'm not sure whether she wants these ones or not. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoy your bonus video. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. If you like what you see, please give it a share. And hit that bell so you get notifications in there somewhere. And don't forget to check out my Facebook page. Don't forget to use the Laura's Art Corner discount code. It is all capital letters, Sherry Moulton, 10%. You get 10% off your whole order. And again, I'd like to thank everyone that's donated to my PayPal. And there is a link in my description for the PayPal account. I'll talk to you guys later. I will see you guys on Friday. Love you guys. Have a great day.